picked up this GMRS two-way radio, 15 watt capacity repeater system from a company called Midland. Now it says here that you can talk to other handheld radios that aren't GMRS compatible. The cool thing about this actual GMRS radio is that all the controls are integrated onto the actual microphone, so that way you can hide the actual receiver if you need to, or put it in a discrete location. Haven't really found out where I want to put mine. I guess we'll see where we're gonna put it. Let's see. So this is what it looks like already installed inside the rig. I think it looks pretty good, huh? Just kidding, it's still in the box. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed, shall we? Let's try to speed up the process here. There you go. A little bit quicker. Let's see what we got. I smell hip hop and I want some. And I spy with my little eye 2 turntables. Here I have the radio set up, about ready for install. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm trying to find a location of where to put it, and I think what works best for me is I'm going to attach it right here to the glove box, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to drill a hole through here, and I'll run the wires through back there. Eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'll change out this antenna for the 3 dB sized antenna. I like that one better. I think it's a lot sleeker, and plus I've seen a lot of really good reviews as far as the performance on it. So what we'll do is this module right here. Get that right. This module right here, we're going to go ahead and mount it up here and run the wires through the back. So let's go ahead and do that now. Was able to mount this portion right here, the receiver end, onto the glove box. And what we went ahead and did is, I don't know if you can see, we went ahead and drilled a small hole, puts this back in over here. We're able to route the wires down through there. What we're gonna go ahead and do is we will route the wires down here. Here is the antenna. We'll go ahead and set up the antenna here in a little bit. And for now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to leave it like this. Hide the wires and then run it through to the 12 volt outlet until I hardwire it with the add fuse kit. So this mount right here, where we got the antenna, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to mount it right here. what I'm gonna do is gonna run it through all the way down, connect it through here, hide the wires under there, and then put with that one. So what I went ahead and did is I went ahead and put 3M tape here instead of the one that it comes with. The one that it comes with is real kind of crappy, and I've heard a lot of people say that it falls off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here, and then once it mounts, it'll mount right there. It'll be right here. It looks like it's in the way of the knob, but it actually isn't. So it's in a pretty good spot there. So go ahead and put that in now. There's it. Let's go and see if this bad boy on.
Chance of precipitation,
There you go.
30%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy with isolated showers and thunderstorms.
It's not too far in the way.
Precipitation, 20%.
Hangs a little bit, but not too much.
Wednesday, partly cloudy with isolated showers
That'll be
and
fine.
thunderstorms.
Well, there you go. Quick little install video of the MXT275 Midland Radio. I enjoy it. I've used it once. Actually, that night that I installed, I used it on the trail. It's pretty nifty. The range on this thing, even with the factory antenna, is incredible. Well over 10 miles that it picks up when I was communicating with a buddy on the trail. I highly recommend it if you can. There's plenty more videos to come. Give this video a like, share it with your friends, tell me what you think, and drop a comment down below. And we'll see you soon. See you on the next one.